All right, I hope this is like in frame, but whatever. Hey YouTube, so today's video is going to be a first impression of a new foundation that I brought. Well, I won't really say it's a foundation, it's like a skin moisturizer. It is Kevin Aucoin Strip Nude Skin Tint, and I have two shades. I have the medium 05 and deep 08. What do y'all think of my wig? I've had these foundations for a while, but I decided today that I want to try them out and make a little video. So yeah, to get into the basics, what they are. So they are a tinted sheer to light coverage foundation that illuminates, smooths, and help minimize the look of pores for a flawless natural finish. Sephora describes it as a light coverage with a natural finish. It is a liquid formation. It is a liquid formulation. Why do I want to say formation? A liquid formulation, and it is good for normal, dry, and combination skin. So yeah, let's get into the try on. Okay y'all, so I'm trying to pull up the specs on Sephora, but I don't know if I want to I'm gonna just do the application and then I'll swap it while I look cute and tell y'all. So these are the two that I have. Deep ST08 and medium ST05. So I initially, to give y'all a little backstory, I brought deep, I hope my vacuum is not too loud. I brought deep ST08 first, and when I looked at it online, it looked like it was a good match. Now I normally buy my makeup through Sephora or Ulta, but I was trying to buy a setting spray that they don't carry, and I had to go through another website. I can't think of the name of it, and I saw that they had this foundation. So you know how like they say minimum purchase of I think like what, $50 free shipping. I don't like paying for shipping, so I was like, what can I buy to get the free shipping along with this spray, because the spray was like 12 bucks, and I remember that I wanted to try this foundation. So this foundation I think retails for $45, so I brought the foundation and the spray. Now unfortunately the color is not a good match for me, and the business that I brought it through, they don't accept returns for beauty products. I think they do exchanges, but it was just too much of a hassle to send this back and try to get the right shade. So what I wind up doing was buying medium 05 to mix with medium 08, and the reason I got 05 instead of like 07 is because of the undertones. So these are supposed to have golden undertones, which I feel is a better match for my complexion. So yeah, let's give it a try. We're going to prime our skin using our MAC Natural Radiance Primer, per usual. Rub that in. I did not moisturize, so I hope this lays decent. And I have on this wig today, y'all. I have been trying to get into wigs because I hate doing my hair. This is day number 3, I think I've worn it. And it's okay. I mean, it takes some getting used to, but it's okay. My little vacuum is cleaning the house, and I pray that it is not too loud with this dang video. So yeah, I don't know. I'm supposed to shake them. I'm gonna just try to shake it, and then we're gonna start with one pump of there we go. One pump of the 05, which I'm looking at it, and I kind of think this might work as like my winter shade. I don't want to mix it. So, you know what? Let's apply it without mixing the colors and see how it looks. And then if I feel like it's too light, then I will go back and mix it. So, one pump. And I'm gonna apply it with the brush. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's like super sheer. Damn, you can barely see anything. Yeah, we're gonna mix it. It's slightly white looking. So let's mix it. I did 2 pumps of the 05 and I did 1 pump of the 08. And I'm just gonna mix it on the back of my hand. There we go. Okay, that's better. I don't know, I've been wanting a lighter foundation lately. This is definitely very sheer. I feel like this would be good for in the summertime because it's light. I mean, it's a skin tint, so I would expect it to be, I wouldn't expect it to be too much coverage. It's almost giving me like a tinted moisturizer feel. Okay, so this side is the foundation or skin tint, and this side is nothing. I don't know if you can see the difference. I can see the difference. And then I'm just gonna look in my mirror. It gives it like just the slightest bit, I don't want to say coverage because it's not really covering anything. It just makes, how do I want to describe this? Like, it looks like I cared and did something to my face this morning. I can't think of how I want to put it, but you know, it just looks like I did something. It makes me look refreshed. There we go. Like a very refreshed look. Couldn't think of how to word that. But yeah. And it's super duper light. Now I'm going to try to build it and see if we can get just a little bit more coverage out of this. But this is what we have after one layer. Not bad, not bad. Definitely giving me tinted moisturizer vibes. I'll do half a pump. And just put that on. And mix it. And the reason I didn't use a sponge for this is because I didn't want the sponge to absorb all the product. So that's why I'm using a brush. There we go. Make sure we get the forehead. I would definitely wear this to work. It is super light. Now, I don't know how well it will hold with a mask, but we'll see. And there we go. And this is with 2 applications. It's nice. It's nice. All right, so now I'm just gonna add on the rest of my makeup, and I will come back and let y'all know my final thoughts. Okay guys, so you know, movie magic. Seen the intro, now we're doing the outro. So yeah, this is the final look that I came up with this foundation. I didn't want to do anything too fancy, too crazy today. Just something natural and fun. Well, natural and something natural. I can't talk. But yeah, overall, it seems like it's a nice foundation. It applied pretty good on my skin. For $45, let me make sure that's the right price, because I feel like I'm over exaggerating the price on this. I'm sorry. Come on. No, it's $42, so I gave it $3 too much. For $42, if you can find it in your shade with just 1 bottle, then Carrie would definitely recommend it. Carrie says yes. But if you have to mix it, I don't know how I feel about spending $86 for a skin tint foundation. Even though they say it's a foundation, I feel like it's more like a tinted moisturizer, to be honest. But for me, that's what I like. I don't like a heavier filling foundation. So if you want something that's nice and light and good for everyday wear, I would definitely recommend this, especially in the winter time. In the summertime, it might work, it might not. It might be a little too moisturizing in the heat, but definitely in the winter, I feel like it would hold up, especially if you set your foundation or your makeup with a powder. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please tell me what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.